Tom here with Affordable Comfort Heating and Cooling. The Aprilaire 500 is a reliable product at an affordable price and is able to take care of homes up to 2,000 square feet, making it an overall great value. This unit is known as a bypass type humidifier, which means there is no standing water and no risk of bacteria buildup. It features an easy to use manual humidistat, which makes it simple to achieve the optimal humidity levels for your home. The Aprilaire 500 is a great way to improve the air quality, increase efficiency, and make your home more comfortable for you and your family. This whole home humidifier will help you achieve optimal indoor humidity levels, which can reduce respiratory problems, static electricity, and more. Please let us know if you have any other questions about this great product or any other products, and we would be happy to help. We look forward to working with you soon. Take care.